I was walking down the pavement, slow and steady pace. The calendar years etched deep upon my face. The world was just a blur of traffic and of gray, until a burst of laughter cut through the day. A stream of bright uniforms spilled out onto the street, with backpacks slung loosely and fast, careless feet. They were talking too loud about lessons and dreams, and the chaos of their future didn't bother them, it seems. I stopped on the corner, just watching them pass, and the whole world dissolved like an image in glass. Then the sun hit my eyes, and the concrete turned green, and suddenly I wasn't 70, I was just 16. The memory kicked in, a powerful sweet punch, and I remembered the feeling of eating school lunch. Oh, the echo in the hallway is the sound of 16, the wildest, brightest future that we've ever known or seen. It's the smell of the old books, the ink on the floor, the thrill of the moment when we wanted something more. We were careless and reckless, alive and so free. We thought forever was a promise, just waiting for me. The best days of our lives we never understood, but the spirit of that student still runs through my blood.
We learned ancient history while passing secret notes, our hands covered in graphite, the hope in our throats. We huddled in corners, planning mischief and fun. We'd run from the principal when the final bell was done. I recall the first crush, the shy glance, the fear, the friendships we swore would last for 100 years. The scent of the gymnasium, the roar of the crowd, the feeling that nothing was impossible, spoken out loud. We chased the great knowledge, but truly we chased the golden, fleeting moments that time can't erase.
Then the last student turned the corner and vanished from sight, and I'm standing here silent in the fading daylight. The traffic returned and the decades came back, but the ghost of that moment put me right on the track. Enduring lesson, and the seasons will turn, and the lessons you learn are the bridges you burn. But the energy, the freedom, the spark in the soul that's there in the share still makes us whole. So thank you, young strangers, for making me see that the best part of life still lives inside me. Oh, the echo in the hallway is the sound of 16, the wildest, brightest future that we've ever known or seen. It's the smell of the old books, the ink on the floor, the thrill of the moment when we wanted something more. We were careless and reckless, alive and so free. We thought forever was a promise just waiting for me. The best days of our lives we never understood, but the spirit of that student still runs through my blood. Yeah. The spirit of that student, he's still walking with me now. The old man starts walking again, a little faster now, with purpose final, powerful, sustained, ward Nestor Khan.